Welcome back to Car Reviews, where we explore the latest in automotive and heavy machinery technology. Today, we have something different but incredibly exciting, the 2025 Combine Harvester. This is the next generation farming machine, packed with cutting-edge technology, efficiency, and power. If you think farming is all about old-school tractors, think again. This harvester is a high-tech marvel designed to revolutionize agriculture. Let's dive into the details. Now, just look at this beast. The first thing you notice is the sleek, all-white futuristic design. Gone are the days of simple, rugged machines. This harvester looks as advanced as any modern truck or even a spaceship. The aerodynamic build is designed for both efficiency and style. But it's not just about looks. This harvester is built to handle massive fields with unparalleled precision and speed. One of the biggest changes in this 2025 model is the advanced sensor system. Multiple cameras, lidar, and AI-powered detection systems allow the harvester to map out the field in real time, adjusting its speed and cutting power based on crop density. This means less waste, higher efficiency, and more yield per acre. And let's talk about the cutting mechanism. This harvester features a next-gen hybrid cutting system that adjusts automatically for different crop types. Whether it's wheat, corn, soybeans, or barley, this machine knows exactly how to optimize its settings for maximum efficiency. The blades are made from high-durability carbon composite materials, making them lighter and more effective than ever before. Now, stepping inside, this is where things get seriously impressive. The fully digital cockpit makes it feel more like you're piloting a high-tech vehicle than operating a farm machine. A large touchscreen display gives real-time updates on yield, efficiency, fuel consumption, and even weather conditions. Plus, it's integrated with GPS auto navigation, meaning you can set a predefined route, and the harvester will do all the work for you. Just sit back, monitor the stats, and let the AI handle the rest. Speaking of AI, this harvester comes with autonomous driving capabilities. It uses a combination of GPS, AI, and sensors to navigate fields with extreme precision. This means farmers can manage multiple machines at once or focus on other important tasks while the harvester does the heavy lifting. And, for those who prefer a hands-on approach, there's always the option to take manual control. Under the hood, we've got a state-of-the-art hybrid engine that combines diesel power with electric assist, reducing fuel consumption by 30% compared to older models. This not only saves money but also makes farming more sustainable. Plus, with the new regenerative braking system, energy is captured and reused, making this one of the most energy-efficient harvesters on the market. The grain tank has been redesigned for better capacity and faster unloading. With a 50% larger storage volume, farmers can harvest longer without stopping. And when it's time to offload, the high-speed auger system makes the process 3 times faster, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. For those long harvesting days that extend into the night, the 2025 model comes with full 360-degree LED lighting. This ensures maximum visibility, allowing for safe and efficient work even in low-light conditions. Combine this with night vision cameras, and farmers can work around the clock without compromising safety. So, what do we think about the 2025 Combine Harvester? This machine isn't just an upgrade, it's a game changer for modern farming. With AI-powered automation, fuel efficiency, high-tech sensors, and a futuristic design, it's built for the farms of tomorrow. Whether you're a farmer looking to boost productivity or just someone who loves heavy machinery, this harvester is an absolute beast. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of farming, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cutting-edge vehicle and machinery reviews. What do you think about this futuristic harvester? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear your thoughts.